I'm the lucky guy that gets to introduce a brand new family of baits. It's called the Hit Stick. They're floating minnow style baits. In the past, the really good all-around fish catchers for floating minnows were made of a material called balsa. Balsa had its shortcomings. It basically, you couldn't cast it very well. It would float around in the wind, and it just overall was a tough bait to fish, but they caught fish. The research team at Berkley has come out with a bait, and it's taken us almost 10 years. It's called the Hit Stick. The Hit Stick addresses these problems. The bait itself casts like a bullet. It's got these little flash discs on the bottom that basically, as the bait rolls with a real high frequency, they shine and flash, but they also help with the castability of the bait. They also have an action that was very, very difficult to achieve. In a plastic bait, we could never get the action to be comparable to a balsa bait. About 2 years ago, we had a breakthrough. You know, the team at Berkley's phenomenal. They're testing. So I've got the chance to fish these baits for a couple years. They're going to come out in 22 different colors, from the little guy here that'll catch trout and crappies, all the way up to the biggest bait that we have that will catch northerns and pike and muskies and stripers and you name it, to every size in between. This is a bait that I pulled out of my tackle box. During the Sturgeon Bay Open Tournament, which is the largest bass tournament in the Midwest, up here in the north. This spring, on one cast I caught a 5-pound 3-ounce smallmouth, and on the next cast I caught a 5-pound 7-ounce smallmouth. A lot of 30 and 40 fish days. We've caught many largemouth bass. The research team has caught lots of largies, giant walleyes. We've shot some shows with giant walleyes. So overall, this is a line of baits. It's called the Hit Stick. By the time you see this show, it'll be a few months before you can get them in your hands. They are definitely better than balsa baits.